A good air compressor is essential for anyone who drives a car, motorcycle, or truck. There are different types of air compressors for truck tires. Selecting the best air compressors for truck tires among so many models can be difficult. That's where we can help you. You will learn authentic information about the 5 best air compressors for truck tires in 2023 on the market in this video. Before we jump into the review, we selected only the most effective air compressors for truck tires available on the market in 2023. We examined the factors that differentiate an air compressor for truck tires from good to great, such as its quality and capabilities. We didn't include any products that we thought didn't have enough power to carry out the tasks it was intended to do. Number 1. RoofPax Air Compressor. The RoofPax Air Compressor is a high-quality unit with a 4.5-star rating. This compressor is perfect for both DIYers and professionals, and the 3 different power sources make this compressor incredibly versatile. The automatic switch-off is an intuitive feature that ensures you're never overinflating. Its LED lights are helpful whether you're working in the dark or simply need some extra light. The lightweight design makes this compressor easy to store and carry around, and the 0.7-pound weight is a bonus, and you can also inflate your tires anywhere. With the RoofPax Tire Inflator, you can finally say goodbye to struggling with large air compressors. This powerful little tire inflator is simple to use and comes packed with convenient features, including 3 power options, easy-to-use digital screen, automatically shuts off once tire pressure is reached. It comes with a gauge and hose for convenient use. This air compressor is perfect for use at home, garage, or in the office year-round. The portable tire inflator makes it easy to keep your tires full. Southwest, you can drive with confidence knowing that your tires are safe. The compressor is very sturdy and made from very high-quality metals, so there is no risk of it breaking. This product comes with a 5-year warranty. Number 2. All-Top Air Compressor Kit. This air compressor also has a relatively fast airflow rate and a maximum pressure of 150 psi, which is more than enough to cover most car and light truck tires. As a result, it is one of the top choices of customers. It is designed to be used on a variety of vehicles including heavy-duty use on trucks. The All-Top Air Compressor comes with a 2-meter-long power cord that is connected directly to the vehicle's battery and also includes a 26-foot-long air hose, making it super easy to use. The item weighs in at 16 pounds. Its hollow metal shell and aluminum cylinder ensure better heat dissipation, while 2 anti-vibrate rubber feet keep the machine stable. 3 nozzle adapters make the equipment easy to use on various vehicles, with a very fast inflation rate that is ideal in emergencies. This compressor's aluminum alloy cylinder block results in a better heat dissipation performance, resulting in a much longer service life. Further, it has rubber feet that contribute to its stability. It is suitable for inflating balls, inflatable boats, and more. There is an automatic shut-off switch on the air compressor, so you will never have to worry about it overheating while you use it. It also comes with a sturdy, durable storage bag, which makes it convenient to carry with you anywhere. Number 3. Viair 88P Portable Air Compressor. The Viair 88P Portable Air Compressor is one of the most popular air compressors among truckers because of the power it provides. This air compressor is capable of inflating tires up to 33-inch in diameter and inflating them up to 120 psi. The Viair 88P Portable Air Compressor also comes with a 10-foot power cord which makes it easy to use on tires without having to move the compressor. With 30 psi output and 12V power, the 88P great for inflating anything from small tires to RVs, and it's incredibly easy to use. It's also smaller than 9/12 volt compressors, so it takes a lot less space than some of the competition. It works great with all types of vehicles, including cars, trucks, RVs, and SUVs, and it has a large gauge that provides a quick visual confirmation of pressure. It has all the standard features most consumers would want in a tire inflator, including an LED/power indicator, a huge 9-foot power cord, and 3 different size inflation tips. Its operating pressure is adjustable, and like some other compressors, it uses a motor with a thermal cutoff system, which is helpful for preventing the motor from overheating and damaging itself. You may choose this Viair 88P Portable Air Compressor to get proper service. Number 4. GSPSCN Silver Tire Inflator Air Compressor. The Innovate GSPSCN is an excellent vehicle tire inflator. It pumps faster than most internal tire inflators. Nevertheless, the pump takes a whopping 40 minutes to fill our truck tires from flat to 50 psi. The GSPSCN is a compact engine air compressor with a built-in gauge. It pumps quietly and it is backed by a 1-year warranty. The GSPSCN's built-in gauge seems to read a little low, but not by much. This compressor is capable and quick, but the design of the hose is awkward, making it hard to straighten and bend. The hose itself is made of plastic, but the fittings for attaching to the tires are brass. This air compressor pump is very light, compact, and sturdy. It features a 3-way valve, which makes it suitable not only for car tires but also boat tires and bicycle tires. It has an easy-to-read number display, so you could easily adjust the desired pressure. This air compressor pump could inflate a standard tire in 1.5 minutes. The air compressor pump is well made and stable, and it felt comfortable when in use. The included adapter worked just fine and didn't give any problems. Its generous airflow ensures that tires can be inflated very quickly and the air pressure gauge is reliable. Number 5. Gobege 12V Air Compressor. The Gobege Air Compressor is a quality compressor for 1/2-ton 4-wheel drive trucks. It can inflate your vehicle's tires rapidly in an emergency or even use it to fill up your camping tent. The compressor also comes with rubber feet to ensure stability and noise reduction during use. The auto-thermal cutoff switch system means that the risk of overheating is drastically reduced as the compressor will shut off automatically if it gets too hot. The Gobege 12V portable air compressor has a strong, solid build and performs well for inflating large tires. It gave us precise and repeatable measurements, and the 6.35 CFM airflow is a mid-range rating for the category. It's a good choice for light-duty truck and ATV tires. In addition, the 3.5-gallon tank is large enough to have on hand for most small jobs. The Gobege 12V portable air compressor is a workhorse, capable of pumping up tires on small trucks and SUVs, as well as larger off-road tires. With two 6.35 CFM air pumps, you have plenty of power to get both trucks or SUVs aired up and ready to go. This portable air compressor has a maximum pressure of 150 psi, which impressed customers. The power cord is 8 feet long. It also has a 26-foot air hose, which is a great length for trucks, and its air hose connectors are convertible, so you can change thread sizes as needed. And the air compressor easily controls through a simple LCD computer panel that provides both pressure and working time monitoring.